How you can log in to your Canada Air account. Now this video is really simple and easy, so before we move on with that, if you're new to our channel, go down below and hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Now let's log into your Canada Air account. First, open up your web browser. You can open any web browser that you usually use or that you usually want. So after you open your web browser, just search for Air Canada Login. And after you've done that, you'll see on the top it says Air Canada My Profile. Just click on that, open that link and let it load. Now it's gonna take some time for some people, but after it loads up, it should look like this. It's loading again. Now what this does is it will just open up your sign-in page, as you can see right here. Now here you can just type in your Aeroplan Aeroplan number or your email. So I'll just type in my email. And then just type in your password. Now be sure that you use the correct email and password that you used while creating this account. And after you've used the correct credentials, just click on sign in. And then you'll be signed in into your Air Canada account. So that is all for the video, guys. I hope you found this very helpful. Stay tuned and bye bye, take care.